Here question number 11. Here the table shows some values. So the equation is given. So two values are missing, so we need to find out that. So the equation is going to be y equal to x cube minus 2x plus 3. So x equal to negative 1.5, just plug in here. So negative 1.5 whole cube minus 2 into negative 1.5 plus 3. When we calculate, our answer is going to be 2.63. Next, the same thing, we need to plug in 1.5. So the same way, so y equal to 1.5 cube minus 2 into 1.5 plus 3. So the answer is going to be 3.38. So the first part are done. Now second part, draw the graph and the grid. So first value is negative 2 and negative 1. So negative 2 and negative 1 is going to, negative 2 and negative 1 going to be here. Next, negative 1.5 and 2.6. Negative 1.5 and 2.6. 1.5 and 2.56 approximate here. Next, negative 1 comma 4. Negative 1 and negative 4 going to be here. And next, negative 0.5 and 3.8. Negative 0.5 and 3.8 is, it's here. Then 0 comma 3 is here. Next, 0.5, 2.1. 0.5 and 2.1 is here. And 1 comma 2. One and 2 over here. Next, 1.5 comma 3.4. 1.5 comma 3.4. Okay, then 2 comma 7. 2 and 7. So we need to draw the graph. It's like it's freehand. You cannot use the ruler here because it's curve. We should connect all the points, so I couldn't draw proper here. Yeah, so that part is done. Part B. Next is part C. By drawing suitable straight line on the grid, solve the equation. So here the equation is x cube minus 2.5x plus 1. The given is x cube minus 2x plus 3. So x cube minus 2x plus 3. So we have to just take away this x cube minus 2.5x plus 1. When we take away, we will get x cube got cancelled. This minus 2x and plus 2.5x, so 0.5x and 3 minus 1, which is plus 2. So that's left. So y equal to 0.5x plus 2. This is the straight line, so y equal to 1 by 2x plus 2. So we need to draw here. The y-intercept is 2. So the y-intercept is going to be 2 here. And the gradient is positive 1 by 2. So positive 1 by 2. So 1 and 2 here. Yeah, 2 units here. And the right side as well, here 2 and 1 up. It is going to be until here. So the straight line going to be, so it has to go this way. Now we need to find Here the intercept point, you have to find the x value. Here is intercept happening, here is intercept happening. That is the values here. The first value, so approximate will take here -1 to -2, so -1.75. -1.75. Second value, so between 0.5 less, so we'll take 0.4. You'll get a range, so no problem. 0.45. Third one is going to be above 1, so below 5, so I'll take 1.4. Okay, so the next question number 12. ABC line the circle, D is a tangent of the circle. Okay, so here we need to find the value of x. So x is here, as we know, here is a 52, it's become double. So x is going to be 104. So the reason is going to be angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Next, find the value of y. So we know the x is now 104. So we need to find these two angles. So this is isosceles because OA and OC is equal, because radius isosceles. So now I need to find this angle. So this angle is going to be 180 minus 104 over 2 because of isosceles. So we'll get that is 38 degrees. So this is 38. So now we know this is 65. This entire angle is going to be 65 because alternative. So y plus 38 equal to 65. So y equal to 38, y equal to 65 minus 38, which is equal to 27. So 27 degree is the answer here. Next, question number 13. Simplify 7 over 2m plus 3 over 8m. So we'll make the same denominator. So here we need to multiply a 4, multiply a 4. So 28 plus 3 over 8m, which is 31 over 8m. That's the answer, 31 over 8m. Next, Carlos invest 24,000 at the rate of 3.2 percentage per year compound interest. Calculate the values investment end of 4 years. So is 24,000 times 3.2 is the interest. So 100 plus 3.2, which is 103.2 percentage, which is when we divide by 100, so 1.032. how many? 4 years. So when we calculate, our answer is going to be 27,222.62. So when you round up, our answer is 27,223 is the answer here. Next one, Carlos buys a painting for X. He sells a painting for 0.870. He makes a profit of 34%. So the original amount is X times, so the profit is 34%, which is 100 plus 34. 134 divided by 100, so 1.34 equal to 40870. So X equal to 40870 over 1.34. The amount is going to be 30500. But the question asked only the profit. So profit is going to be original selling price 40870 minus the original amount, which is 30500, which is 10370. That's answer, 10370. Next, question number C. Carlos also buys a car with the value of 32,500. The value of the car decreases exponentially 23% each year. Find the value of total B of the end of the year of N. So total amount is B. So 32500 times 20 is a depreciate, so we need to subtract 100 minus 23, which is 77. So 77 percentage, so 0.77, 0.77. So how many years? So n years. So here is like they asked only the expression, so v equal to 32500 times 0.77 power n. That's it. Next, question number 15. The diagram shows a field ABCD in the shape of quadrilateral. BD is the straight line across a field. Calculate BC. So we'll take a triangle BDC. We'll use the cosine rule. So BC equal to square root of, so I will take BC square equal to the other part, so BC equal to square root of, so 300 square plus 112 square minus 2 into 300 and 112 into cos 140, which is 392.4566, which is 392.5. So the answer is 392.5. Because we know the cosine rule. Cosine rule is a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos a. That's what. Next one, calculate the angle of DBC. This angle, so already we know this side equal to 392.5. so we have a pair, so this angle and one pair we have, so we can use the sine rule now. Okay, so sine DBC, the angle DBC over 112, the opposite side is going to be, this opposite side is here, so 112 equal to, so we have sine 140, the angle 140, the opposite side is going to be 392.5. This is 392.5. okay, so I'll do here, so I'll rearrange sine angle DBC equal to sine 140 into 112 over 392.5. so angle DBC equal to sine inverse of sine 140 into 112 over 392.5. So we'll get the answer 10.569. so we'll round by 1 dp, so which is 10.6. Next, the total area of the field. So the entire area is given, so work out the length of the shortest distance from D to AB. D to AB, D is here, AB is here, so we have to draw a straight line. So this is shortest distance, always is 90 degree. So the entire area is given already, so first we need to find the area of only ABD. Area of ABD, area of triangle ABD equal to the entire area, which is 35900 minus the area of this triangle. So we know half AB sin C is the formula, so half AB 112 and 300 and sin 140. So half 300 into 112 into sine 140, this area formula, so we'll get the answer 25101.168. so now we have this one, will apply now. Half, the base is going to be 180 times the length, okay, D I'll take as a h here, so the height is going to be dh equal to 25101.168. so we want to find only this length dh, so dh equal to 25101.168 times this 2 goes right side times 2, then 180 go right side is going to be divided. So the answer is 278.90. Yeah, so 1 dp 278.9 is the answer here. That's the shortest distance. Next, question number 16. The histogram shows the information about the data are given. Show that there are 10 coconuts in category D. Okay, so category D is here. So this value is going to be 1.35. Okay, so we need to find this distance, which is 1.6 minus 1.35, the distance times the frequency density. So this is going to be here 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 40. So which is equal to 10 we proved. So we need to show is a 10 we showed. Okay, next two of these coconuts chosen from category C and category D. Random, find the probability both are in category D. So we know category D there are 10 coconuts. Now we need to find category C how many coconuts. So category C, the coconuts are here is 1.35, here is 1.25. So 1.35, the width is going to be 1.35 minus 1.25 into the height. The height is 150, 160, 170, which is going to be 17 coconuts total. So category C and D together is 10 plus 17. There are 27 coconuts are there. So but they are choosing 2 coconuts from category D. So category D we have 10. So first one, when you pick out of 10 out of 27, because total is 27, times second one 9 over 26. So the answer is going to be 5 over 39. So 5 over 39 is the answer here. Next, calculate the estimate the mean O. So here each one we need to find total. So first one is, so we got only C and D, so we need to find A and B total coconuts. Okay, so first we'll find B. So B is going to be how many? So he's 1.25, here is 1.1. So 1.25 minus 1.1 times the height is going to be 100. Okay, so total is 15 here. Next is the A also. A is 1.1 minus 0.9. 1.1 minus 0.9 times the height is going to be 10, 20, 30. Okay, the width times height is going to be 6. Now we have all the data, so total is going to be okay, so now total 10 plus these 10 plus 17, 27, 27, 30, 33 is 48. Total is 48. Out of 48, we need to find the midpoint, so we need to find the mean. So midpoint times the height. So first one is going to be 0.9 plus 1.1 divided by 2 times 6 times the value. Okay, so first one 0.9 plus 1.1 over 2 times 6 plus 1.1 plus 1.25 over 2 times 15 plus 1.25 plus 1.35 over 2 into 17 plus 1.35 into 1.6 over 2 into 10 into 10. So we'll get the answer 2419 over 1920, which is 1.2598. So 2 dp, which is 1.26. The answer is 1.26. Next, question number 17, expand and simplify. So first we'll expand this to, so 2x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 6 into x plus 4. So which is 2x square minus x minus 6 into x plus 4. Now again I'll multiply times x, 2x cube minus x square minus 6x, then multiply by 4 plus 8x square minus 4x minus 24. Simplify time, 2x cube, so 8x square minus x square becomes 7x square, minus 4x minus 6x become minus 10x minus 24. So the answer is going to be 2x cube plus 7x square minus 10x minus 24. Next, question number 18 is a vector question. So find AB from here. So A to B, so we'll A to O and O to B. So AB vector equal to AO vector plus OB vector, which is, so is opposite way, so we'll take minus A plus B. So minus A plus B is the answer. Next, M is the midpoint of OC. Find AM. So M is the midpoint here. Find AM. This length we need, A to M. Also here is given OA and CB equal to 4:3. So from here we can find CB. So OA ratio CB equal to 4:3, which is OA by CB equal to 4/3. So already OA we know, which is A. So A over CB equal to 4/3. From here, rearranging the terms, 3A equal to 4 into CB. So 3 by 4A equal to CB. So we got CB equal to 3/4 of A, which is 3/4 of A. Now we have to find OC because midpoint. So now I'll go for OC here. OC vector equal to OC. So OB plus BC. OB plus BC. OB is B plus B, then BC is going to be negative because the opposite direction. This is CB. So I'm going to BC, the opposite direction, minus 3/4 of A. Minus 3/4 of A. Okay. Now I'll go for AM. So we need to find AM. Now I'll go for AM. So AM is A to M. So AO plus OM. AO plus OM. AO we know, which is negative A. Then OM is going to be plus OC we know, which is half of OC. So half of OC already we got here, B minus 3/4 of A. So expand and simplify, minus A plus B by 2, then minus 3 by 8A. So rearrange the terms, minus A minus 3/8A plus B over 2. So here take LCM, same denominator, so 8 minus 3, 11, so minus 11/8A plus 1 by 2B. That's the final answer. Minus 11/8 11 over 8a plus 1 by 2b. Next, question number 19. Solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working and give your answer as a correct 2dp. So y equal to, so we need to equate both of them. 3x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 5 minus 2x. Bring it everything to one side. 3x square. So when 2x comes this side is positive, so minus 5x, 5 comes here as negative, minus 11 equal to 0. So using quadratic formula, so minus b is 5 plus or minus square root of b square, which is minus 5 square, minus 4 into a into c is minus 11 over 2 times 3. So we'll get 5 plus or minus square root of 5 plus or minus square root of 157 over 6. So we'll know to answer. X is 5 plus square root of 157 over 6 and x equal to 5 minus square root of 157 over 6. Okay, so when calculating time we'll get 2.92166 and here we'll get negative 1.25499. Okay, so we'll plug in this y value. So y equal to 5 minus 2x. So 5 minus 2 into this x value 2.92166. So we'll get the answer minus 0.84. So first solution, here also will round by 2 dp. Question says 2 dp. So first when 2.92, so y is minus 0.84. Next here y equal to 5 minus 2 into negative 1.25499, which is going to be, we'll get 7.50988, which is 7.51 because 2 dp. So x is going to be here negative 1.25 and the y is 7.51. Next, question number 20. A solid metal prism has a mass 4810, correct, nearest 10. So 4810 nearest 10. So upper bound, so here's a lower bound we need to calculate. So I'll make upper bound and lower bound. 10 gram means 0, so make it half, is a 5 up and 5 down. So 4815 is upper bound and lower bound is going to be 4805. Next, density is given 7.7. So here 1 dp, so 0.5, 7.75 and 7.65 here. Okay, now calculate the lower bound of the volume. So density equal to mass over volume. So rearrange the formula. Volume equal to mass over density. So here lower bound of volume equal to lower bound, so lower bound of mass over upper bound of density, which is lower bound of masses, which is 4805 over upper bound of the density, which is 7.75. So the answer is 620. 620 is the answer here. Next one, question number 21. Y is inversely proportional to x plus 2 square and w is proportional to x. So two stuff is given. Y is inversely proportional to x plus 2 whole square. So y equal to, so here there's 2, so I'll take as a k1 over x plus 2 whole square. So value is given, y equal to 8 equal to k1 over x is 3.5 plus 2 whole square, which is 8 into 3.5 plus 2 whole square equal to K1, which is 242. So K1 equal to 242. Plug in this value to here, which is y equal to 242 over x plus 2 whole square. Next part, second, w is proportional to, so proportional to x, which is w equal to k2 of x. So already we took k1, so as I'm taking k2, here w and x value is given, which is 15 equal to k2 into 90. So 15 over 90 equal to k2, so 1 over 6 equal to k2. So just plug in here, so w equal to 1/6 of x. Okay, now the question says find y in terms of w. So y is already here, so y equal to 242 over x plus 2 whole square in terms of w. So I'll plug in x value. From here I'll make x a subject, so 6w equal to x. So plug in here 242 over 6w plus 2 whole square. That's the final answer, 242 over 6w plus 2 whole square. Yeah, that's the end of the paper.